good day. About your answer of our complaint last August 6, we seen the picture of full strength testing. We are here to demonstrate how to detach the lock without a key. Put in the lock into the steel axle like this, and full strength, which you just said that is true. That is true. It cannot detach, but when you twist just a little, like this, like that, it detaches simply like that. Then, and when the steel axle again lock, full strength, sir, please, full strength, okay, full strength, oh, detach, again, just a little wiggle in the steel axle, push up, full strength, just take it detaches simply like that. Again, using only my thumb, I can detach this, no magic trick. Just a little force, you see? Just a little demonstration. Thank you for your viewing. Thank you. No.